that's the Hadrian's Ark. See, that's the Zeus, Temple of Zeus. See, that's a good spot.
Yeah, well, there. Temple of Zeus.
Hadrian's Ark.
Where's Hadrian's Ark? Hadrian's Ark there. And then Plaka here. Temple of Zeus. Acropolis Museum. Where is it? There. Then there's a theater in there. And oh! And then my husband. And then this Parthenon. And me with my husband. So many people.
Okay.
First Sunday of the month. And I don't know what's there.